The VEVOR NEMA 4X steel enclosure is a robust and sturdy construction made from professional carbon steel, providing excellent wear resistance and protection from rain erosion thanks to its epoxy polyester powder coating. The enclosure comes with a high-quality lock core and a high-strength hinge, ensuring security and durability, even under extreme conditions. An important feature of this product is its waterproof sealing strip that prevents rainwater from entering and damaging the internal electrical components, coupled with an IP65 protection class and earthing screw enhancing the product's overall safety. The VEVOR NEMA 4X steel enclosure offers convenient installation with a removable galvanized mounting backplate and 4 wall mounting holes, making it easy to mount on any wall. This steel enclosure is versatile and can be used in various environments, including factories, construction sites, malls, squares, residential areas, and courtyards, protecting circuits and preventing corrosion. With a favorable review score of 4.5 stars out of 5 and a competitive price of $96.99, this product offers reliable performance and good value for money.